We had to design this tent especially for the Red Bull Storm Chase event because there isn't any comparable inflatable tent in the market that fits to these extreme demands. This tent was used for shelter base in the video set, so they can change their equipment, change some parts, maybe to hold a small team meeting, stuff like this.
Everything on these tents is based on something you call geodesic design, which means that the structure stabilizes itself. When you have forces, wind forces on one side of the tent, the whole structure of the tent works against these forces and stabilizes the construction.
The special thing of the Mavericks tent is actually that you can set it up in very short time in heavy windy conditions. It's only unrolling, inflating, and you're ready to go. It can withstand winds up to 160 or 180 kilometers per hour actually, and this makes it really stable in heavy windy conditions.
The beauty of life is in the details. Details that shape and define the world around us. Details that have seemed impossible to truly capture until now. Introducing the new Nokia 9 PureView, 5 cameras with Zeiss optics. It excels in the deepest of shadows and the brightest of lights, revealing detail previously hidden. It measures more depth than any previous smartphone camera. Refocus after the shot and discover the extraordinary in the ordinary. It captures and merges 5 simultaneous shots for breathtaking HDR photos. The new Nokia 9 PureView. Explore every detail.
360-degree sound, the way life and now music are meant to be heard. This is the OE Mars One. Designed to fit into and enhance every space, the Mars One audio system has been engineered to complement and improve your quality of living. An advanced device that fills your life with high-fidelity music rather than filling up your home with expensive clutter. No longer must you tolerate cumbersome traditional hi-fi systems, nor endure other wireless speakers' mediocre sound quality. The Mars One has been meticulously engineered to provide comparable sonic fidelity to devices twice its size and 3 times its price. Numerous technical advancements, such as a 360-degree omnidirectional ribbon tweeter, the 360-degree median speaker, a newly designed long-stroke woofer, and a high-power digital amplifier were employed to achieve these uncompromising results. The Mars One is also easily controlled with your phone when a quieter approach is needed. Multiple connectivity options, paired with cutting-edge technology that brings you lossless audio, gives you the best sound, no matter your music streaming service. And a 4-layer piano lacquer finish ensures that the Mars One will be a beautiful addition to your home. Bring the highest quality 360-degree audio experience into your home by backing us today. Thank you.